Daily Dawn Vocabulary. With Urdu Meanings. December 3, 2022. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. 1. Estrangement, noun.
कशीदगी, बेगानगी, मुफारकत.
The fact of no longer being on friendly terms or part of a social group. Example, the growing estrangement of the police from their communities. 2. Severe, adjective.
शदीद, सख्त नागवार, बहुत सख्त.
Of something bad or undesirable, very great, intense. Example, a severe shortage of technicians. 3. Commodity, noun.
तिजारती शय. कारमदासबाब.
A raw material or primary agricultural product that can be bought and sold, such as copper or coffee. Example, commodities such as copper and coffee. 4. Austerity, noun.
सादगी, किफायत शियारी.
Sternness or severity of manner or attitude. Example, he was noted for his austerity and his authoritarianism. 5. Discourse, noun.
गुफ्तगू, जायजा करना.
Written or spoken communication or debate. Example, the language of political discourse. 6. Dubious, adjective.
मशकूक, मुबहम.
Hesitating or doubting. Example, I was rather dubious about the whole idea. 7. Periodic, adjective.
वक्फे वक्फे से दूरी.
Appearing or occurring at intervals. Example, the periodic visits she made to her father. 8. Seldom, adverb.
कभी कभार. बहुत कम. कभी कभी.
Not often, rarely. Example, Islay is seldom visited by tourists. 9. Scathing, adjective.
सख्त तनकीद, सख्त अजियतनाक.
Witheringly scornful, severely critical. Example, she launched a scathing attack on the Prime Minister. 10. Indictment, noun.
फर्द जुर्म, इल्जाम.
A formal charge or accusation of a serious crime. Example, an indictment for conspiracy. 11. Exert, verb.
जिदोजहद करना, जोर लगाना.
Apply or bring to bear, a force, influence, or quality. Example, the moon exerts a force on the earth. 12. Distort, verb.
मस्ख करना, तोड़ा मरोड़ा हुआ, गलत बयान.
Pull or twist out of shape. Example, a grimace distorted her mouth. 13. Indulgence, noun.
लज्जत, शौक, इख्तियार.
The action or fact of indulging. Example, indulgence in self-pity. 14. Tantamount, adjective.
असरा अहमियत में बराबर.
Equivalent in seriousness to, virtually the same as. Example, the resignations were tantamount to an admission of guilt. 15. Disgruntled, adjective.
नाला, शको, उदास, बरहम.
Angry or dissatisfied. Example, judges receive letters from disgruntled members of the public. 16. Spawn, verb.
अंडे देना, बच्चों की झाल.
Produce or generate a large number of. Example, the decade spawned a bewildering variety of books on the forces. 17. Unscathed, adjective.
चोट से महफूज, जरर से महफूज.
Without suffering any injury, damage, or harm. Example, I came through all those perils unscathed. 18. Animosity, noun.
दुश्मनी, बोझ, उज्र. Strong hostility.
Example, he no longer felt any animosity towards her. 19. Agitation, noun.
ज़हनी बेचैनी, ख्यालात का उलझाव.
A state of anxiety or nervous excitement. Example, she was wringing her hands in agitation. 20. Disband, verb.
मौकूफ करना. मुनक़ते. सुबुकदोशी.
With reference to an organized group, break up or cause to break up. Example, the unit was scheduled to disband. 21. Curious, adjective.
शौकीन, राज़जो, तजस्सुस करने वाला, strange and unusual.
Example, a curious sensation overwhelmed her. 22. Irony, noun.
तंज, मुज़हकाखेज़,
The expression of one's meaning by using language that normally signifies the opposite, typically for humorous or emphatic effect. Example, don't go overboard with the gratitude, he rejoined with heavy irony. 23. Prejudicial, adjective.
मुज़िर, ज़ररसा, नुकसानदेह,
Harmful to someone or something, detrimental. Example, the proposals were considered prejudicial to the city center. 24. Spectacle, noun.
तमाशा, नज़ारा,
A visually striking performance or display. Example, the acrobatic feats make a good spectacle. 25. Cavalier, adjective.
शहसवार, बहादुर,
Showing a lack of proper concern, offhand. Example, and was irritated by his cavalier attitude. 26. Precisely, adverb.
बिल्कुल ठीक, ठीक ठाक,
In exact terms, without vagueness. Example, the guidelines are precisely defined. 27. Embryonic, adjective.
जीनियाती, खम, अधूरा,
Relating to an embryo. Example, slight differences in embryonic development. 28. Subtle, adjective.
ठीक ठाक, चालाक,
Especially of a change or distinction, so delicate or precise as to be difficult to analyze or describe. Example, his language expresses rich and subtle meanings. For more upcoming new videos, subscribe our channel. Dawn Vocabulary with Urdu Meaning. Like, subscribe, share and comments.